What if you could create something once and sell it repeatedly? Imagine selling to thousands with minimal effort. This is the power of digital products. Their economics can be appealing, especially since reproducing a digital product costs almost nothing. But remember, success requires research, creation, marketing, and customer support. Today, we'll explore 10 categories of digital products that can help you start your entrepreneurial journey. First, let's talk about digital templates. These are ready-made files that assist users in various tasks. Think about business planning templates, budgeting spreadsheets, or social media calendars. Templates save customers time by eliminating the blank page. For instance, a freelancer could create a photography proposal template. This one template can be adapted for different clients. Remember, you're selling saved time, not just a file. Next, we have spreadsheets and financial tools. Personal budget trackers or business cash flow planners bring clarity and organization to users. Imagine a freelancer who needs to know if they're making money. A simple dashboard can track revenue, expenses, and profits. Present these as organizational tools, not financial advice. Now let's explore ebooks and short guides. An effective ebook can focus on one specific problem. Examples include a beginner's guide to freelancing or productivity tips for entrepreneurs. The key difference lies in specificity. Instead of vague titles, focus on actionable advice. Then there are online courses. These transform knowledge into structured learning experiences. Categories can include graphic design, coding, or personal finance. A strong course leads to transformation. Think about what skills learners will gain by the end. Regular updates are crucial to keep the content relevant. Another option is Notion and productivity systems. These digital systems provide structure and help users stay organized. From goal dashboards to project management setups, they make life easier. For example, a YouTube creator might use a content management system to streamline their workflow. Let's discuss design assets next. These are elements like templates, icons, and backgrounds. Businesses constantly need fresh visuals. If you didn't create an asset or lack rights to sell it, don't. Designers can create themed collections to add value. Now, consider prompt and workflow packs. These offer structured processes for tasks like content ideation or customer service. Recognize that a solid product includes goal prompts, instructions, and expected outcomes. Customers want repeatable processes, not just lists. Printable products are another great category. Planners, checklists, and worksheets are all popular printables. Customers value convenience and organization. A simple concept can grow into a collection, turning one weekly planner into an entire productivity suite. Membership and resource libraries represent a more advanced model. Instead of selling one-time products, provide ongoing value. This could be access to a library of templates or educational resources. However, memberships require continuous improvement to retain value. Finally, let's talk about digital toolkits and bundles. Combining complementary products can create a powerful offer. A freelancer starter toolkit, for example, can include templates, checklists, and guides. Just remember, more files don't equal more value unless they solve related problems. To wrap up, we covered 10 valuable digital product categories. Remember these principles. Solve specific problems, target a specific audience, and build before you scale. Your opportunity lies in creating products that save time, solve issues, and teach valuable skills. If you're ready to build your path to financial independence, subscribe to Finance Flow for more insights on money, business, and innovation. Digital products are revolutionizing how entrepreneurs approach their businesses, allowing for scalability and minimal overhead. Each category serves a unique purpose, targeting diverse audiences with specific needs. For instance, templates can empower individuals by offering time-saving solutions for varied tasks, while spreadsheets provide crucial financial clarity. As we navigate the digital product landscape, remember to focus on quality and relevance to ensure your offerings resonate with potential buyers. These principles will guide you toward establishing a sustainable entrepreneurial journey in the digital realm. Next, let's delve into the importance of marketing your digital products effectively. Simply creating a great product isn't enough if potential customers aren't aware of it. Utilize social media channels where your audience spends their time, share insightful content related to your product, and engage with followers to build a community. Email marketing can also play a pivotal role. By collecting email addresses, you can keep your audience informed about new offerings and sales, creating anticipation and driving traffic to your site. As you strategize your marketing efforts, consider leveraging influencer partnerships, guest blogging, and online communities to expand your reach. Collaborating with influencers who align with your brand can amplify your message and introduce your products to new audiences. Additionally, attending virtual events or webinars can showcase your expertise while promoting your digital products, creating authentic connections with potential customers. Building a strong online presence is essential to stand out in a crowded market, so invest time in refining your brand identity and voice to attract loyal customers. Building authentic relationships with your customers is vital as well, as trust fosters loyalty and encourages repeat purchases. Encourage feedback on your products to understand their needs and fine-tune your offerings. By actively listening to your audience, you can tailor your products to better serve them, creating value that goes beyond the initial sale. In addition, providing excellent customer support can enhance the overall experience, giving your users confidence in their decisions. Remember, a satisfied customer is likely to share their positive experiences, paving the way for organic growth through word of mouth. As you embark on this entrepreneurial journey, nurturing your community becomes crucial. Creating engaging content related to your digital products can enhance your customers' understanding and appreciation of what you offer. By sharing insightful articles, video tutorials, and helpful tips, you not only demonstrate your expertise but also build trust and deepen your relationship with your audience. This educational approach encourages potential buyers to view you as a reliable source, enhancing the likelihood that they'll turn to you whenever they need solutions to their problems. Now, let's examine the significance of continuous improvement and feedback loops in your digital product journey. Developing a product is just the starting point. Listening to user experiences and adapting accordingly is crucial for long-term success. By implementing regular updates based on feedback, you not only enhance the value of your digital offerings but also demonstrate to your audience that you are invested in their success. This proactive approach cultivates customer loyalty, ensuring your products remain relevant and effective in solving their evolving challenges. As you strive to establish your digital product business, remember that innovation is key. Regularly assess market trends and customer preferences to stay ahead of the curve. Embrace creativity to differentiate your offerings from competitors, ensuring that each digital product not only meets customer demands but also exceeds their expectations. Moreover, don't shy away from experimenting with new ideas. Test different formats and approaches to discover what resonates most effectively with your audience. Ultimately, the journey entails not just creating impressive products, but also continually adapting and evolving to maintain your entrepreneurial edge. By integrating these strategies, you're well equipped to nurture your digital product venture into a thriving success. As you refine your product offerings, consider the importance of building a solid brand identity. Your brand should clearly communicate what sets you apart from others in the market. This includes everything from your logo and color scheme to your messaging and tone. A consistent and compelling brand can foster loyalty and establish an emotional connection with potential customers, encouraging them to choose your products over competitors. In this competitive landscape, authenticity and relatability are crucial elements that can significantly enhance your appeal as an entrepreneur. Creating valuable digital products is only part of the equation. Understanding how to effectively market them is essential. Use social media to highlight your offerings. In conclusion, embracing the digital product landscape opens unparalleled avenues for entrepreneurial success. By applying intentional strategies in product development, marketing, and customer engagement, you set the foundation for an enduring business. Remember, the potential to transform your creativity into lasting value lies in your hands. Start today and thrive.